Hey everyone, welcome to Asta's Makeup Closet where we wake up and make up for 30 and up. And what do I have for you today? I have a haul. This is my haul for the month of June. I'll be doing it in two parts because it's massive. It is really massive. I went a little overboard, like some of the products came in, late May, early June, like that. Now, of course, it's just early June right now, but I'll have to do it in two parts for you guys. And I am so happy about new makeup. Oh my god. There are going to be so many new reviews coming up. It is going to be unbelievable. Oh my god. I have eyeshadow palettes. I've got skin tints. I've got face powders. I've got eyeshadow palettes and eyeshadows. I've got some skincare. I've got so many things. Oh my god. If you're into something like this and you like hauls and you like makeup in general, reviews, tutorials, just overall a fun channel with loads of color and loads of fun, do consider subscribing. My name is Asta. I'm a professional makeup artist. Yes, I do have a certification. I don't know why I feel the need to say so, but yeah, it's just kind of thrilling when you get your certificate in your hand, like, ooh, I'm certified. So please do consider subscribing and do click on the bell icon so that you are notified of all of my upcoming uploads, so that you're notified of all my uploads. And let's get into the video. So the first bag I'm going to show is a Chanel bag. This has loads of stuff in it, like loads and loads and loads of stuff. I won't be opening everything, but I'm going to be showing you a lot of the things that I have. So there's this indie brand called the Pastel Roses. I think they're UK based. Yes, they are UK based because yeah, the prices on the website are in pounds. So they make the most beautiful eyeshadows, pressed pigments, duochromes, multichromes, as well as multichrome flakes and a lot of chameleon shadows and things like that. So I went a little overboard and I bought two sets, like two bundles of their chameleon pigment flakes, loose pigments. And what I didn't realize was that I got four colors that were overlapping between the two of them. Yes, very stupid of me. But what I did was that those four colors that I had repeats of, I kind of mixed other pigments into them from the same brand, from the Pastel Roses, and I made my own colors. So anyway, I'm not going to be showing you all of the colors, but I'm just going to show you the component, the packaging. So it says open here, and is this box full of pastel love? And what is inside? And it says loose pigment on this side. And then on the back it says thepastelrose.com, warnings and cautions, designed in the UK. And so these guys are vegan, never tested on animals. They are vegan and cruelty free. And it says 24 months. So I have 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of their pigments. So I'm just gonna pick them up and show them to you. So yeah, so 4 of these are my custom colors that are kind of sort of mixed up, because I didn't have the heart to like get more. I want to try these out first and then I'm going to be buying in more colors because they've got some beautiful, beautiful shades. So this is my first thing that I bought. Then I have the Danessa Myricks Beauty Duet Highlighting Facial Balm. Yeah. So this is basically a product. It's a clear product. You do get shades in this as well. It's like a balm that can be used as a highlighter. You can use it as a primer, to give your face a shine. It's a multi-use product, and you can just, if you don't want color, if you don't want shimmer, if you don't want any kind of glitter on your face or glitter particles, this is the product for you. It is non-sticky. It's not one of those, like goopy kind of things. It's like a really nice clear balm, and I'm just going to show it to you. So this is what it looks like, and this is the balm inside. So it's clear, as you can see. So this is quite an exciting product, and I love the Nessa Myrix. Anyone who's seen my channel, I love the Nessa Myrix products. I've got a lot of her color fixes and everything. I mean, that time I wasn't really shooting hauls, but so I kind of miss showing all of that to you. The next thing I bought was the Huda Beauty Sticky Tack Lash Glue. This is something I'd been waiting for. So this is something you can get in India. Can you? Yes, you can. Yeah, you can get this on Nykaa. You can get this on India. The Pastel Rose is from the UK. The Nessa Myrix has to be ordered from her website in the US. Duty is sometimes charged. For Pastel Roses, I did not have to pay duty. For the Nessa Myrix, I did. And this is the Huda Beauty Sticky Tack Lash Glue. This is something I've been wanting for a really long time, and I've just run out of lash glue, so it's that. Then I bought myself, the Sephora sale was going on in India. So I bought myself the 06 Pro Featherweight Complexion Brush, which is like this. And if I just were to open it up, that's what it looks like. So I have the big one, the massive one, which I believe is somewhere here. Yeah. So that is a big one. And this is the little one. So this is for more targeted areas, but the quality on these brushes is absolutely amazing. I love Sephora brushes. So this is the 06. No, it is the 90. Good Lord, I am so sorry. 90. Pardon me. 9 and 6s, if written in a particular font, just end up looking the same. So the next thing I bought was, we all know Becca is shutting down. It's closing its doors forever in September. So from Nykaa, they were running a sale, and I got my anti-fatigue under eye primer from Becca. So this is a backup of the one I'm already using, which is this one here. This is what it looks like. So this is something I love as a product. I simply love this. So I just thought, let me get a backup, and it lasts a really, really long time, because I do have other things that I use. So this is something that, I just wanted to just have in my stash. The next thing I bought was the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. It's a balm for the cheeks and the lips. But I don't like balms on my lips, so I'm going to be using this for my cheeks specifically. Tower 28 is a clean brand at Sephora US, and I swatched this a little, so you can probably see like a little dot there. So I'll just show you the component. This is what it looks like. That's a beautiful color called Beach Please. Beach Please Russia. Sorry, the color is called Russia, and this is the shade. It's a lovely terracotta peachish kind of shade, so it's beautiful. And I've heard a lot about R28. I got this one from one of the Instagram importers, and yeah. Then I have the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a holy grail product. I have a little sampler size, and I got the little one, because the big one takes forever to get through. So I got the smaller version, and I have a mini version as well, 1 second, let me just find it. Yeah, so this was the sample that I got for free, and I tried this, loved it, so I got myself this one. Then I got myself the Carla Cosmetics Fix Potion. It's the possibilities are endless. So basically, I bought a lot of Carla Cosmetics pigments directly from the website, not from Sephora or anywhere else. I don't think they supply anywhere else. And this is the Fix Potion. It is like a clear gel-like thing, like an eye primer, which really sticks on the pigments beautifully. So this is what it looks like. So you can see the gel inside, and it really it's wonderful for pigments, and for you can just put it over eyeshadow as well. And the multichromes and the duochromes, they just kind of pop using this. So I got this. Then I got a sample of the Charlotte Magic Serum. This was just free with one of the Charlotte Tilbury products I had bought. And I also got myself the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. I have one tube that I'm using. I just got a backup because I love this. So this was what was in the Chanel bag because I threw away the carton that these things came in. You know, there were a lot of tiny cartons and tiny pieces of packaging which I don't want to keep around. So all of this just came in that. And I just shifted it to a Chanel bag that I like to keep around. You know, I love it. The next thing I have is from Bodice Beauty. This is an online store, much like Nykaa, but with very limited brands, not too many, but they are upcoming. So the service is really good and everything. So I got myself a few things here. So I got myself the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, which is something that I'd been wanting to try out for the longest time. And I got myself that and the Brow Freeze, the brow styling wax. This is something that, you know, I've heard and I've seen so many reviews of, and I've been wanting to try this out, and I was quite surprised, you know, because Nykaa is not carrying it, but Bodice Beauty was. So this is what the component looks like, and this is the gel inside, which is very clear, so you can see, you know, how clear it is. You can see my finger through. So this is the Brow Freeze. I am going to be doing a video with the Brow Freeze and a couple of the new products that I have, and tell you my thoughts about the same. Other than that, I bought a couple of things from Laneige, and they sent me samples, the water sleeping mask and the white dew skin refiner. So these are just a couple of the samples. And I also got myself the Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I will just show that to you. It was a little big for the Bodice Beauty box, so I put it in my Viseart box. And I have something from Viseart as well. So this is the Amrezy palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am going to open this up and I'm going to show you the palette in all its glory. Look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. And on the inside, it's like this. So I bought this on the recommendation of a YouTuber called Paulina Aspium. Yeah. So she goes by Paulina on YouTube. She does Get Ready With Me's and all of that, and you know, Barb is her favorite shade, so you know, she sold us a lot of us on Barb right here. So I just had to get this palette and try it for myself, and I'm so glad I got it. It's beautiful. Do let me know if you'd like to see any tutorials or any, you know, like 3 looks 1 palette or something like that, because that's something I haven't done on my channel as of now. So I would love to do that for you. And the next palette that I got is something I'd been waiting for the longest time from Viseart, and it had been out of stock in India. This is the, let me just tell you, the matte eyeshadow palette in Brights, which is this one. And James Molloy, the makeup artist, swears by this palette and the quality. I have another Viseart palette and I love their quality. So this is what the colors are. And it's going to be a dream to use because I love color. Anyone who sees my channel knows that I love color. Besides this, I have a lot of other palettes that I've got, you know, in the recent month, which I'm going to be sharing with you. So I got myself the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I was so thrilled. I don't have the bronze palette, I don't have the glam palette, and I don't have the love palette or the gold palette. So this kind of rolls everything into one. Not the love palette, but yeah. So you've got like bronzy shades here. You've got some shades from the love palette, you know, that they're not overlapping, but you know, between this and the Metropolis palette by Natasha Denona, I think everything's just pretty much covered. So this is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I am going to be shooting a 3 looks 1 palette video with this, and telling you my thoughts about the palette as well. I'm pretty thrilled about this, you know. It's a beautiful everyday palette and I can't wait to try it. So besides that, from Natasha Denona, I also bought the Mini Love palette. And it's truly mini. Check this out. That's my hand. So, yeah. So this is very, very cute. And if you can see those little circular marks, I've just swatched these colors because I couldn't help myself. And this is stunning. Lovely colors. I told myself I'm not going to get pink tones, but there's a lot of movie tones in this as well, and a little bit of this metallic reddish color. So, it's just going to be one versatile palette to use. So I just wanted to try this out. I wanted to try out one of our mini palettes, so I got this. I placed an order with Odin's Eye. Odin's Eye is a Swedish indie brand, and they make beautiful eyeshadow palettes, and everything has a backstory. Something to do with something in mythology or just otherwise. So I bought the Odin's Eye Alva palette, which is this. The packaging is absolutely stunning on these, and this is the palette, and this is the inside. It's such a beautiful color lover's dream. It's got two pressed glitters, but I don't mind those. I use the ColourPop ones as well. So stunning palette. Can't wait to use it. So this I got early May, but I forgot to include it in my last Shop My Stash. So I'm including in the June one. And the second palette I got was the Norns eyeshadow palette by Odin's Eye. It's about the three known sisters, the present, the future, and the past. They represent that. There's a whole story, I'll have to like read up on it. That's the palette. And these are the shades inside. And I've heard so much, and I've seen these glitters in action on other YouTubers' channels, and they are just beautiful, out of the world. The shine is absolutely stunning. That's what I've pretty much seen for myself.